In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create multiple new profiles in Brave browser. By the end of this video, you'll have successfully created a new profile in Brave browser and know exactly where to click to add more whenever you need them. First, open Brave browser. On your screen, you should see the main Brave window with the address bar at the top. If Brave was already open, make sure you're on the main browser window so the menu is visible. Next, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the window. This is the main menu button. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. If you're following along in a screen recording, you'll see that menu extend down from the corner. Now, in the drop-down, click More Tools. This will open a secondary list of options. Move your mouse over it and click to open that section. This is where Brave keeps several setup and management tools. From here, click Add New Profile. Go ahead and click it once. Brave will create a new profile and open it in a separate window. You should see a fresh Brave window appear. This new window is your new profile, separate from your existing one, but at this point, the new profile is ready to use. It has its own browsing history, bookmarks, extensions, and settings, completely separate from your other profiles. Nothing you do here will change your original profile, so it's safe to proceed. If you're watching closely, you may notice a default profile name or icon. That's normal and indicates the new profile has been created. If you need multiple new profiles, you repeat the same clicks from your original window. Open the menu with the three lines, choose More Tools, then click Add New Profile again. Each time you do this, Brave will open another fresh profile window. Using the same sequence keeps everything consistent and avoids mistakes. While you're looking at the new profile window, take a moment to confirm it's separate by glancing at the top right corner. You should see it identified as a distinct profile. You can browse immediately in this window, and your activity will stay within this profile only. If you switch back to your previous window, you'll be in that original profile, which remains unchanged. If you accidentally clicked away from the menu or closed it too quickly, just open the three lines again and follow the same path. More Tools, then Add New Profile. The process is quick and doesn't require any advanced setup. There's no risk to your existing data when you create a new profile. Brave keeps each profile isolated. Once that's done, you now have a new Brave browser profile open and working, and you know exactly where to click to add more profiles using the same steps whenever you need them. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.